Okay, for this next and last problem, it says write down an expression that gives the area of the region between f of x is equal to 10x plus x squared minus 3x cubed and gx, which is equal to x squared minus 2x. Find the area. So I'm going to graph this first on the graphing calculator. And let's take a look here. If I graph the functions, the first function, it doesn't matter which one I put. I'm going to put the first one to be y equals, oh, got to clear this old one. Clear and clear. Go back up and do 10x minus or plus x squared minus 3x cubed enter. And then for y2, I'm going to put x squared minus 2x. X squared minus 2x and enter. All right, so the first one is 10x plus x squared minus 3x. And the second one is x squared minus 2x. Now let's take a look at where these intersect. Okay. Ooh, it intersects 3 places. Here, here, and there. Okay. So it's going to intersect at 3 places. But notice one thing. I have 2 graphs. I have the red graph and I have the blue graph. Now, from this point here to this point here, which looks to be like 0, 0, the red function is on top, blue function is below. And over here, from 0 to looks like 2, the blue function is on top, and the red function is below. So I have to find the function for this area and the function for that area. Because remember, it is always the top function minus the bottom function. So we're going to find this area in here. I wonder if I can draw, maybe not there. And let's see what happens here. Okay, so let's just take a quick look. So over here, it's going to be the parabola, which is x squared minus 2x minus the cubic function, which is 10x plus x squared minus 3x. And from 0 to here, it's going to be the cubic function minus the quadratic function over here. Now, the first thing I've got to do is find my areas of intersection, which it looks to me like it's going to be -2 to 0 and 0 to 2, but I've got to double check. I mean, I could do it by hand, but let's do like we did before. Second, calc, intersection, which is number 5. And let's move it to this location right there. Whoops, a little too much. Right there. Enter. The next one is close enough there, and we guess, and exactly, it's -2. Let's find the second point of intersection, which we're assuming is going to be 0. Second, calc. Second, calc. Intersection, which is number 5. Go over to the point of intersection, or as close as you can get to it. And hit enter. Second one's there too, enter. And it's 0, 0. As you can tell here, 0, 0. Let's find the third point of intersection, which is probably going to be 2, 0. Second, calc, intersection, number 5. Let's take it over to the point of intersection, or close to it. Oh, I passed it. There, that's good enough. Enter, enter, and it's 2. So this is here, -2, 0, and 2. Now here, remember the parabola, if we go back to the y equals, the parabola is y2 and the cubic is y1. So if I want to find this function, I have to do the following. I have to do 2 integrals and add them together. Okay, so the first integral is going to be second quit, math, number 9, from -2 to 0. And in that case, remember, the quadratic was on top. So this is going to be, gotta graph it over there. Remember, y2 minus y1 vars, go over to y vars, number 1 function, and I'm going to do number 2 minus vars, y vars, function, and 1. And again, arrow over, don't forget the dx because it won't work that way without it. Now we're going to add the integral to that, math 9, from 0 to +2 of, now this time it's y1 minus y2. So vars, y vars, function 1 minus y2 vars, y vars, function y2, and as always it has to be dx, so you got to click it there in x. Now hopefully if I did it right, I got the 2 functions that I had. I didn't have to type it all in, and I hope that if you're on the IB test and you need time, that you would choose not to do that, and you hit enter, and you get the answer of 24, which is the correct answer. And that is, again, because here, the parabola from -2 to 0, the parabola is on top, the cubic is below, and from 0 to 2, the cubic is on top, and the parabola is below. And you have to do those separately. Take this region, add it together, take this region, and add it together. All right, that's it.